Hi foodies! Magluto tayo ng Chinese tomato and egg stir fry. Let's start to gather our ingredients. At first, yung tomatoes na ginamit ko dito, ikinat ko siya into wedges to ensure that the core and the seed are still intact. Dahil gusto kong ma-achieve na medyo may texture pa din ng ating lulutuing tomatoes. Ikat na din natin ang ating ginger into thin slices and then julienne into thin strips. Mag-crack lang tayo ng eggs into a large bowl. Saka natin ito i-season with salt. Kailangan natin itong i-heat ng continuously para mag-create siya or magkaroon ng bubbles or air inside. Heat the pan on a high heat. When it's hot, ilalagay natin yung beaten eggs and push the eggs gently around with the spatula to scramble. Kailangan natin ito lutuin for mga 35 seconds or 80% cook. The same pan na ginamit natin kanina should be hot. Maglalagay lang tayo ng konting oil. Saka natin dito ilalagay ang ginger. Medyo igigisa muna natin ng bahagya. Once na aromatic na ang ating ginger, i-add natin ang tomato wedges. I-stir fry for about 30 seconds. And then, mag-a-add na tayo dito ng ating water. Once na-add na ang water, pwede na tayo mag-season ng salt and sugar. Naglalagay tayo nito para noon mabalance yung sour taste ng ating tomatoes. I-cover lang natin ito for around 2 minutes para maluto ang ating tomatoes. At this point, ipiprepare na rin natin ang ating slurry. So later on, i-add lang natin ito sa ating nilulutong tomatoes para magbigay siya ng smooth texture. And then after that, aga-adds on na tayo ng ating tomato ketchup. Nagbibigay ito ng magandang color sa ating niluluto at the same time, na-enhance niya yung lasa ng ating tomatoes. After nating lutuin ating tomatoes and well seasoned, i-add na natin dito yung niluto natin kanina na scrambled egg. Just mix everything together and continue to stir fry over the high heat until the sauce is thickened. Mag-a-add na rin tayo dito ng scallion. Depende sa atin kung gusto natin ng madami or kakaunti. Pero ang the best part dito is serve with the steamed rice. Thank you for watching foodies. Hope you like this Chinese tomato egg stir fry. But don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!